Hey viewers, I am Dave here. Since this COVID pandemic guys, I can't go out and do food review. But I came with an alternative plan. That is, I want to do some cooking and share with you guys. Since today is the first day, I want to try simple dish that is called Dragonfruit Chocolate Milkshake. Okay guys, let's go. Okay, first of all guys, just on the blender and prepare the blender first. Okay guys, for the first step, add the fruit first, dragon fruit guys. Okay, just add in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, done. Okay, for the second step, you can add chocolate. So for the tasty delicious, I select this Cadbury Black Forest chocolate. You can use any other chocolates too guys. See how you like to taste it, that's all. So add some chocolate. Okay, chocolate. Okay guys, chocolate done. Okay, for the third step guys, you can add ice cream. Guys, normally for the milkshake, right, they all use vanilla ice cream, but for the different taste, I want to use Gula Melaka ice cream guys. Well, we will see how it goes. So you can add 2 scoops of ice cream. Wow, very nice. Okay, you can add more also, depends on you. Okay, I give you 3 scoops. Okay guys, and then add some. Okay, done. Okay, and then add some condensed milk guys. Okay, let's mix it up. Just one. Okay, 1 scoop. If you want to add more also can, depends on your sugar level. Okay, then add little water only guys, don't add too much, a little bit of water. Okay, enough. And then lastly, ice cube guys. This is the most important thing because this only will come as milkshake. Okay, add ice cube. Okay, done. Just put inside blender. Okay guys, time to blend. Okay guys, the blend is over. So let's pour into the glass. Okay, open the cap. Okay.
Actually guys, it's your choice. You want to keep the ice cubes fully crushed or remain some in the cup. So I select remain some in the cup guys. So it's your choice guys. For my opinion, I will keep the ice cubes some in the cup because it will be chilled. The final product is ready guys. This is called the Dragonfruit Chocolate Milkshake with Gula Melaka ice cream on toppings. That's it for today guys. The video ends here. And guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe guys. Bye bye. Signing off from Dave.